Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Roblox on your device. Use the official app or a trusted browser. Enter the username or email exactly as registered because capitalization or typos will block access. Next, type the password carefully, pause and verify characters if your keyboard adds accents. Once done, glance at the Remember Me option. Choose it only on private devices. Make sure two-step verification settings are visible so you now enter credentials and press login. Do that confidently but double-check each entry. If a CAPTCHA appears, follow the image prompts. This prevents bots. When two-step verification is active, open your Authenticator app or email, copy the one-time code, and paste it into the field. If you use SMS, wait for the message and enter digits promptly. Take these steps slowly. Verifying identity protects your account and avoids accidental lockouts. Once Roblox loads to your avatar or lobby, scan the page to confirm it's your account and not a duplicate. If anything looks off, log out immediately and change your password from a secure device. Make sure to sign out on shared machines to prevent access. If you cannot sign in, use the Forgot Password flow, check the linked email for reset instructions, and if you still face issues, look for account alerts or contact Roblox support through the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.